Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Also, prepare 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Begin by creaming together your softened butter with both the brown and granulated sugars in a large bowl. Beat this mixture until it's wonderfully light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, incorporate the 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition. Finally, stir in the 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract until fully combined. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk together your 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Lastly, gently fold in the 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious homemade oatmeal cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.